Hello, my name is Ammar Gangadiwala. I'm a cloud architect with 20 plus years of experience in software industry, focusing mostly on Azure and Microsoft technology stacks. In today, we'll see unit testing microservice with mock repository and NUnit. This is a part 2 of the series. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will advise you to go and look for this one, .NET Core Microservices Code First Approach using Entity Framework. In the description section of the video, I will provide step-by-step instruction to follow this webcast, and you can also view my GitHub repository, which is located over here. I will launch Visual Studio and I will open my project Order Services. To this project, I will add a new project, add new project, and I will select over here from the template and unit. The first one will be this one, C# and unit test project. Click on the next button, give the name of the project. We'll call it order test, and then click on the next. Leave this one as default. Okay, this is created, this project. Next one is we will install the mock package. So go to over here, new package, browse MOQ, this one, first one, and I will add this one to this project. Click on the install button. Mock will installed. Go back. In this one, I will reference my order services projects. So go over here, add new project reference and select order service. Click on OK button. Open the unit test file. In this one, we'll write a line, create a new member variable. In the setup function, I will add this line. Okay. And then I will create a mock test object. First, I will change this one. I will make it as async. Okay. And I will create a test order items. So this is creating a new order with the order item and shipping address, adding it to the collection. Next few lines, I will add few lines more. Let's save this one, rebuild solution. Build succeeded. Let's test it. Select this test, right click and run test. The run test says failed. Okay, so let's see why it failed. Expected. I forgot to add this line. I will create a setup file, this one. Okay. Build it. Rebuild all. Rebuild succeeded. Click on the test function. Run the test. And the test succeeded this time. So this completes the unit testing of microservices with the mock repository. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon and the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.